Burton gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Time to way back to the crime.
Hey guys, this is Burton Gang. We back in the building with another video. Hey, okay, y'all know, never sleep on Burton Gang. Okay. Anyway, I feel a little weird because I don't have my eyelashes on, no earrings, but it's okay. We've been super busy and still celebrating y'all big big bro birthday. It was on the 24th, but we still celebrating because it's still October. So from now on, every year in October, the whole October is gonna be Scorpio season. He gonna celebrate it good, okay? But anyway, but it just passed October 24th. But I'm gonna be frying like some tilapia. So I'm gonna show you the season I use. Oh, y'all like my new hairdo? It's cute, ain't it? But anyway, basically I'm gonna show y'all the seasoning that I'm gonna use for today when I'm frying tilapia. Okay, so yeah, I started off with cornmeal, and then in a few I'm finna show y'all what I'm putting in it. Okay guys, so I use lemon pepper, I use parsley. I used all my parsley. That's good. We're gonna buy some more. And then some garlic powder and some black pepper. I forgot the cayenne pepper. I put the cayenne pepper in there too. So yeah, cayenne pepper as well. What I put in the bag, I put it in a plastic bag. So y'all know when you fry, you gotta put it in a plastic bag. No, not a plastic bag, a brown bag. A brown bag. My mistake. I'm finna show y'all in a minute. Okay, so this is the brown bag. And so basically I put my season in here. I haven't mixed it up yet. I haven't mixed up my season yet. Sorry, y'all. That was the TV. But anyway, this is the brown bag. It's a big brown bag. Don't use plastic. Use brown. So my mistake earlier. So that's the season I put up in there. I haven't mixed it up yet, but I will. And then I'm going to put my catfish up in. Not catfish. Damn tilapia. I'm going to put the tilapia in here. So I'm going to do it whole. I'm not going to cut it up like I normally do. I'm going to fry them whole. Okay, so I wrapped it up in here. So I'm doing 5 of them. I'm going to do it whole, though. I'm doing 5, yeah. Be right back. Okay, guys, so I put it in the bag. I shook it up. You know, after you put it in the bag, you shake it up so the cornmeal can get on everything. And the seasoning as well. And I'm using vegetable oil. Vegetable oil to fry it in, and y'all know I'm using my iron skillet. I haven't used my iron skillet in so long, but I think it's time for me to use my iron skillet. So I'm gonna use my iron skillet, and then you pour the vegetable oil up in there, and you let the skillet get hot. Like, I mean hot, hotter than popcorn. Hot. You let it get it hot, and you can sprinkle a little cornmeal in there to see if it get hot. If it don't, it ain't hot. It ain't hot. Get it back on there. Turn it on again. So you let it get hot, guys. Then you put it in. Okay? Okay, I got it all in the cone over there. They all on top of each other. So let's put this in the fryer. Okay, guys. Oh, you hear that? Shh. You see that? It's ready. Okay, I'm finna throw one fish in here. One tilapia. Hey, damn it. Damn it. Okay. Think we could put another one in. I'm thinking we could put... No, that's okay. That's enough, y'all. That is enough. All right. Okay, guys. I'm back. Okay, so let me reveal the tilapia we just did, honey. Boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, boom, boom. We just fly. Anyway, I was just finna bust around. You did? Anyway, let me stop. But yeah, we did 5 of them. And the next one you will see is fries. The thick fries y'all finna see in a minute. It's Burton Gang. We be back. All right, y'all. So next, I'm using these thick fries. French fried potatoes. I'm using the thick fries, not the little skinny ones, the thick ones. So you're going to see. Okay, guys. So we finally finished the fries. Didn't make too many because we already had a big lunch. Yep. Fish and fries. Fish and fries. Okay.
Or some people say fish and chips.
Yeah. Bougie people say fish and chips, but we grew up in the hood. It's called fish and fries. No damn chips. This is a fry. It's not a chip, it's a fry. Shit, you don't see no potato chips down here. So it's fish and fries. Period. Gang. Burton gang, we got this motherfucker.
Burton gang. We in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang. Gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton.
Gang.
Burton.
Gang.
We in the building. We never going down. Time to way back to the crime.